Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. We've got some choices when it comes to independent suspension. What we're looking at here are two different types of independent suspension. This is a Dexter Torflex, and this is our MORryde independent suspension. Either choice is a great choice for a luxury fifth wheel. A lot of our luxury fifth wheels come standard with the Dexter. The Luxe Gold and the Toy Hauler, they come standard with the Dexter Torflex suspension. What that is, a little explanation is, you see this represents that interior bar that goes across. What happens there is no metal touching metal. So what you get when those independent suspensions go up and down bumps and uneven areas, you're not getting any metal rubbing against metal. It is a very solid rubber core that middle bar goes through the twists and turns. So it's a very solid, very long-lasting independent suspension. So you've got choices here. The tried and true MORryde suspension is an upgrade on the Luxe Gold and the Luxe Toy Hauler. It is standard on our Luxe Elite. These are 8,000 pound rated axles, and these are all 8,000 pound independent suspension. Also, you can upgrade to the 9,000 pound independent suspensions, but you can't go wrong with independent suspension. It's going to give you a nice, even, smooth ride when you're traveling our roads in the United States. So ask us about our suspensions, make some choices, think about the options. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.